I just saw it up top.
Where? Hold on. I should say it right here. Posting group. Hold on. Maybe it's making me do this all again. Hold on. Recreate, redirector. I don't know what that is. In order to go live on this page, I don't know what that is. What is all this? Something else?
Yeah, I don't know how. I don't.
Okay.
I'd have to.
Yeah.
Isn't that you right there?
Yeah, that's an old one. Hold on. Where'd the thing go?
You could be straighter here.
There it is.
If they get it done, I'll start. Okay, if they're ready, I'll start while you guys.
There we go. I'm just gonna write that system. And then this, paste. No, that's not it. Okay. Description.
I'll be right back.
No.
Goodbye. Where'd he go?
Okay. Save.
Hey, I think they're playing that for you, Susie. Oh, Susiana.
Don't you wait for me. Joey, come here, man.
Joey,
Stream.
get over here.
Nobody touch my internet over here because my internet's not in very good.
This is very professional.
Okay.
Not doing that, no.
Don't walk that way, please. What is going on?
It has to come this way.
Okay, apparently I can go live. Okay, so
Ready to go
I'm
live
ready,
now?
yeah.
What happened?
I don't know what happened. My stream key got messed up somehow. Maybe I put in the wrong one, I don't know.
What got messed up?
I think the stream key, I think I put in, didn't do it right or something.
Try, guys.
Oh, this is mine.
Are you sure? Doesn't matter. Okay.
I think this is mine.
Does he know the mic is on the floor?
What's on the floor? Oh, this is better.
Are we ready?
Yeah? Now I'm ready.
Okay, I'm ready.
Now I'm ready.
Ready?
I think I'm ready. I don't know. I won't know until I press the button if it's gonna work.
Sing, John. Sing. I got the hillbilly blues and it's got me going round and round. Hillbilly blues and it got me going round and round.
Oh dear. I can't see this. I don't know. I always look at this way. Yeah, okay. Because I can't see the
Oh,
whole one
I
very
played
well.
with our guy the other night. Every song he has is a shuffle, and I'm not even kidding. Cinderella. Tony Booth. Oh, you missed it, bro.
There's all this stuff in the.
Told him, I said Archie Francis and Carmine talk about you all the time.
Archie talks about it.
All right.
Yeah, but I wanted to tell him the story, but man, that guy was mobbed by a fan base.
Start dancing.
Hold on a second, everybody. Move over, Carmine, so you don't keep hitting my mic stand.
Archie Francis. Where were they? Where I don't know. Can't hear it all.
That's good.
I'd love to hear his voice.
Oh yeah.
So what time is it?
It's time to start.
I know, but what time is
Okay,
it?
6:15.
Huh?
We don't have time to do that. We're just gonna go. I didn't even write the whole stuff on there because trying to hurry.
One, a two, a one.
I don't want that. I can
You start.
It's all gonna be out there.
You're already on.
Everybody's going out, having fun. I'm just a fool for playing on, having none. I can't get over how she set me free. Oh, lonesome me. This mistake I know I made, hanging around. I know that took me up and down, painting that town. I thought of everything, made it easy. Oh, lonesome me. I bet she's not like me. She's out of fancy free, searching with a boy with all her charm. Well, I still love her so, and brother, don't you know, I'd welcome her right back in my arms. Well, there must be somewhere I can lose lonesome blues. Get up at the place and find somebody new. Thought of everything, made it easy. Oh, lonesome me. Oh, pick it, Earl. But I bet she's not like me. She's out of fancy free, flirting with a boy with all her charm. Well, I still love her so, and brother, don't you know, I'd welcome her right back here in my arms. Well, it must be somewhere I can lose lonesome blues. Forget about the past and find somebody new. Thought of everything, made it easy. Oh, lonesome me. Oh, lonesome me. Oh, lonesome me.
Hey! We're back here at Carmine's Country Corner. And we're setting up. We got started a little late because we're shifting some of the equipment around a little bit.
It's Father's Day, bro.
We finally got a sound man who's going to come in and help us make this thing a little bit better than it's been. And, you know, having that kind of fun. And then I realized at 5 minutes to 6 that Paul told me last week he was not going to be here. So now I'm standing here with no bass player. Lou's one singer that does a lot of great singing, as does Gary during the set. I said, Gary, it's us. Me, you, and Palmer. So we gave Palmer a mic. He's going to sing one and play some harmonica with us. And that'll be good. You think I'm loud enough out there, Kim? I am? Okay, somebody gave me a thumbs up. That might be the new guy. Anyway, I can't see him behind the monitor.
Hey, what are we doing? Jesus, dog. He's dying to play that harmonica.
Yep, bass microphone.
We tried hiding it from him, but he found it, folks.
I have to
Found
sneak
that
them in.
darn
I have to
harmonica.
sneak them in the track case because the metal detectors will find them.
A long time forgotten, dreams that just fell by the way. Good life he promised, ain't what she's living today. But he never complained about the good things that they've done alone. Just talk about all the good times they've had, all the good times to come. She's a good-hearted woman, love with a good time and man, who loves him in spite of his wicked ways. She don't understand. The teardrops and laughter pass through this world hand in hand. She's a good-hearted woman, loving a good time and man. He likes the night lights, bright lights, and the good times with friends. And when the party's all over, she'll welcome him back home again. Lord knows you don't understand him, but does the very best that she can. She's a good-hearted woman, loving a good time and man. She's a good-hearted woman, love with a good time and man, who loved me in spite of my wicked ways. She don't understand. Through teardrops and laughter they pass through this world hand in hand. Good-hearted woman, loving a good time and man. She's a good-hearted woman, love with a good time and man, who loves me in spite of my Mickey Mouse ways. You don't understand. The teardrops and laughter they pass through this world hand in hand. She's a good-hearted woman, loving a good time and man. Come on, Sergeant. Yes.
Blue, broken-hearted me. I'm holding to a memory. Since you've been gone, no matter who I try to be, it's blue and broken-hearted me. And I never felt so down and out. Never felt so all without. Since you've been gone, no matter how I try to be, it's blue and broken-hearted me. Oh, blue and broken-hearted me. Holding to a memory. Since you've been gone, no matter how I try to be, it's blue, it's broken-hearted me. And I can't explain the way I feel. Every tear I cry is real. Since you've been gone, and no matter who I try to be, it's blue, it's broken-hearted me. Oh, blue, broken-hearted me. I'm holding to a memory. Now since you've been gone, and no matter who I try to be, it's just blue and broken-hearted me. Oh, blue, broken-hearted me. Holding to a memory. Since you've been gone, no matter who I try to be, it's blue and broken-hearted me. Let it ring, boys. So, you know, Gib Gilbo wrote that song with somebody else. I don't know the other fella's name. And when I heard it, I heard it years ago, and I said, Gib, what a great song. And now, Susie, my wife, comes to the shows now and then. You know, sometimes she's here, sometimes she isn't. Well, she's here tonight, and Gib was like her brother. I mean, they grew up together since she was a baby. And of course, Gib married his sister Ann, but Susie still calls Gib. He was like a brother to her. That's how close they were. And so she's here tonight, and I felt a little nervous singing that song when she's here because she was so close with Gib. And he was such a great singer. You know, Gib could knock out a country song with Lefty or Merle or any of them. I mean, that's the kind of voice he had. He was just a good singer, good fiddle player, good guitar player, good songwriter. I mean, he was just talented. So anyway, Susie, I hope I didn't slaughter it too bad for you. And, you know, Gib, we love you. And, of course, Ann is still with us. And Ann and Susie are very close. And she'll come down and spend a few days with us. We go to dinner, talk about the old times and about the new things that are coming up with all our grandkids. There's if you ever watched the X Games, there's a fellow named there, Colby Raha, who's like one of the top, for a while, he probably still is, I don't know, but he was the top dog. I think one of his things is that I think he won more medals, gold and others, than any other rider ever had. I think he's got like 12 or something, 7 or 8 gold and like 4 or 5, others, so he came in second or third. But he just did a big thing at Caesar's Palace about a month ago and broke his own record, jumping this big high jump that he does. He was by the fountains at Caesar's, and they did a whole big thing. Anyway, Ann's always excited about her grandkids. They're all doing something fun, something good, and so it's a good thing. Okay, enough of that. I did one song, and I had to explain the whole family. Jeez. What are you going to do, right? Show business. All right, Swan, what do you got?
It's Father's Day.
It is.
We'd like to thank all the fathers.
We're all fathers.
And for those who are not fathers, thank you as well. Thank you most of all.
How'd you manage that?
Oh, God, I can't get my picture.
Okay.
One person switch over to my telly. This sound all right. I can stay with this. Doesn't matter.
Today I started loving you.
Why did I turn it off?
Okay. Today I started loving you again. I'm right back where I've really always been. I got over you just long enough to let my heartache mend. But today I started loving you again. What a fool I was to think I'd get by with only these few million tears I cried. I should have known the worst yet to come. And crying time for me had just begun. Said today I started loving you again. I'm right back where I've really always been. Got over you just long enough to let my heartache mend. But today I started loving you again. yet to come. And crying time on me had just begun. I said today I started loving you again. I'm right back where I've really always been. I got over you long enough, letting my heart ache mend. But today I started loving you again. I got over you just long enough to let my heart ache mend. But today I started loving you again. That was a marvelous little tune by what's his name?
That's a good song you do, right? You know
Yeah.
the sing like that song you do? That rockin' song you do?
Rockin' song I do.
You know it's
Rockin' Sockin' Song.
Rockin', baby.
yeah, but rock this one.
All my songs are rockin'.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah, I think it was 1910. No, it was in the 90s. I think I went and played with this guy Ronnie Dawson, and I worked on this groove for like a week, trying to get this one song right. And he had his groove on the record was like, you know, like right in between a straight and a shuffle. Man, I worked on this. It was like a Chuck Berry thing. I said, yeah, I'm all over this. And I went and played with him, and I started playing. He looks at me and goes, hey, man, what are you doing? I said, I'm playing it like the record. Man, don't play it like the record. That guy couldn't do it right. Just play it straight.
You know, he might have
That's
been
how it
right
ended
because I don't care for that beat. I know the one you're talking about. I mean, it's okay, but it sounds odd. It doesn't sound right.
Hey,
I like it straight ahead.
listen,
Well, that was because they were inventing it, sir.
Well, I know.
They
but
hadn't
still,
found straight ahead
not
yet.
everything that was invented is like 100%.
Took a little time.
hey,
Took a
listen,
little time.
if John Palmer did it, it's right.
Well, John
He always does the right version.
Well, I wasn't right, and he corrected me, and it sure made my life a lot easier when he did. I said, hey, man, I can do that. I can do that beat.
John's
So the reason, not that anybody out there would notice, but those of you who might notice that I'm not playing my Rosewood Telly and playing my little Martin acoustic is because I've got some dates coming up at the Orange County Fair, and they just want us to stand here. There's going to be 3 of us with acoustic guitars, no amps, no microphone, no PA, nothing, just room temperature volume, with 3 of us doing country music. And they said, don't bring the Rosewood, just bring an acoustic. So I'm kind of playing this to get more comfortable on it. Because
Dan,
I got
where's
to
your
do that in
bass?
a week or two. Dan, you showed up 40 minutes late.
where's your bass,
No,
man?
he just came by to say hi. We needed a bass player today too, and I know. He said I gotta go. All right. So anyway, that's why I'm playing the
It's
acoustic.
Father's Day, dude.
I'm kind of having fun with it.
You know, John doesn't get enough credit. He's with Johnny Rivers and
I
Jerry
got plenty of
Swan.
credit, actually. I've got really good credit rating.
I'm giving you the top now.
So
Gary
that's the reason I'm
Swan,
playing this guitar. Okay.
Johnny Rivers.
No, I just played with Tony Booth, dude. I'm back on the top.
Hey, how is Tony?
It's great. It's unbelievable because, I mean, he is, you know, he looks better now, if you ask me, than he did
Well,
in the
he's
70s.
probably not doing what he was doing back.
Well, he's
50
like
years ago.
he's a distinguished looking man, you know, and he's got a kind of a big voice. So
Yeah,
he shows
he's a
up, you
great
know, and
singer.
starts talking, and you know, he kind of takes over. It's like, whoa, this guy just has to sing, hey, Cinderella. You know, it's like in his voice is just, it's out there, man.
And Tony and his brother Larry Booth were the original Palomino Riders.
And Larry's still
At the
around. He was
Palomino.
supposed to be there, but
Was Larry with him?
No, he didn't make it.
Oh, he didn't show up. But back in the very, very early 70s, late 60s, 71 around there, I think Tony started at the Palomino. And I was hanging out there a lot in those days, and I knew Tony and Larry and all of them. We ready?
Here's
Have you
something.
started the
Here's
song?
something. Let me just say one interesting
Go ahead,
thing.
go ahead.
Okay, so the guy that booked us on, the promoter, is a much younger person, right? So he's calling me, telling me all this stuff that I had done, and I'm going, dude, I'm really not the right guy for this gig. So I was trying to find him the right guy and realized they've all gone away. Every single, and I looked for him. I go, even if Steve Duncan was still alive, and unfortunately he is not, he would have been the right guy, but he didn't live here anymore.
Can I tell you something? I'm a little, not much older than you, but I am a little older. And I will tell you, I was back there with all those guys in those days who were all the same age, who were all young. Those guys were great, but you were the right guy for the job. You're a good drummer. You could play with anybody.
I knew Archie Francis.
Because you know how to listen.
Thank you.
And so don't even think that you can't
No,
play
but I
with
knew
Tony.
Archie Francis. I wanted to tell him that whole story, how we got going, just to see if that really happened.
Well, Archie was there, and
I know how he got the job selling shoes, his apartment, and the gig for the next 31 years at the Palomino Club. The very first 12 hours he was here.
Yeah, he got the gig right away. Archie walked in.
He pulled in. He didn't know where he was going. He pulled into Lancashire, got his apartment, found a shoe salesman job, so that's why it was right next to the apartment. And then he goes, well, I'm in the apartment now. I guess I'll go out tonight. Goes to the Palomino, having a drink at the bar right next to Tony Booth, I think.
Yeah, probably.
And then gets the gig in the house band for the next 31 years. Honey, I got some gigs.
Honey, I got a job.
I got a job. You're not going to believe it.
One
And a
of the
place
biggest
to
clubs
live.
in L.A.
And it only took 12 hours or less.
Well, Archie was another great drummer. So there.
Oh, yeah.
All right, what are we doing?
1, 2. I got the hillbilly blues and it's got me going round and round. Hillbilly blues and it's got me going round and round. Saddle up my pony, I wanna leave this town. Hillbilly blues and I just can't help myself. Hillbilly blues and I just can't help myself. Saddle up my pony, I wanna head out west. Come on, Carmine. I got the hillbilly blues, baby, put me down. Hillbilly blues, I just can't help myself. Saddle up my pony, gonna take a walk, head out west one time. Come on, Gary. I got the hillbilly blues and it's got me going round and round. Hillbilly blues got me going round and round. saddle and my pony car. I wanna leave this.
Brother Groove! Can't beat it. I love that old rock and roll stuff. You got another one?
Yeah, I got millions of them. This one here. Okay.
Family tradition, E.
Family tradition. What can you eat?
One, E. 1, 2, 1.
Country music singer, always been a real close family. But lately, some of my kinfolk have ignored a few others than me. Lord, I guess I went and kinda changed my direction. Lord, I guess I went and broke their family tradition. Everybody don't sing. Said, why do you drink? Why do you roll smoke? Why must you live out song that you wrote? Oh, everybody trying to make my direction. But I get stoned and sing all night long. It's a family tradition. I am very proud of my daddy's name. Though his my kind of music ain't exactly the same. Stop and think it over. Put yourself in my unique position. But if I get stoned and play all night long, it's a family tradition. Then why do you drink? Why do you roll smoke? Why must you live out song that you wrote? If I'm down at old Sardo shop and somebody trying to give me attention, said leave me alone, I play all night long. It's a family tradition. Oh,
Thanks, awfully kind.
I was an arranger.
Awfully kind. Hey, folks, you're watching Carmine's Country Corner. I hope you're enjoying the show today. We miss our friend Paul, so I kind of went with the acoustic and little trio thing, and thank God that Palmer pulled out his harmonica. Sounds great. Sang a song. You really stepped up tonight. Help out the band. I like that. So if you're watching this on Facebook, please push like and share. And if you're watching it on YouTube, it'll be up right after the show. We upload it to YouTube, and push subscribe and like, and that helps us out a little bit. And Dan, I want to thank you for coming by. I mean, you did absolutely nothing, but you did come by. So
Thanks for showing up and not doing anything.
I'm not. We have Dr. Kathy is here, of course, and she does something every time she comes. She brings a certain thing with her, as does Dr. Teresa. They're two beautiful ladies. They just have music in their soul. Dr. Teresa loves to sing and do it. What are you doing? Are you coming up here to hit me? What are you doing? Dan is like approaching the stage.
I just had to come after they dropped the door charge.
Yeah.
That's right.
Dan's never lost for words, I gotta tell you. But anyway, we've been having a lot of fun doing this show now for over 5 years.
Well, Dan's gonna play drums and you can come up and play harmonica.
And you want to play some drums, Dan? No, did not want to play.
Oh, he's acting like a big shot, isn't he?
I never know.
Hey.
You know, I've never gone to a club yet where I didn't want to play. I wouldn't care if it was like Andre Segovia performing. If he said to me, "Do you want to play?" I'd say yes, even though I have no idea how to play what he's doing. He was such a genius. But you know, I'm never the kind of guy to say no. I don't. You know, Tony. Speaking of Tony Booth, I used to go into the PAL when Tony first started working there, and he had people like Jerry Cole. Al Bruno, I think, came a little after, but Al was with him forever. Al Bruno was a good friend to all of us, and a great guitar player. We all miss Al. But there were players like Nom Cass, Jerry Cole, Burton did a little bit. I think Jay Lacey. There was a guy named Russ Hanson who played great. I don't know if he ever played with the Riders, but he was kind of in that loop. There was like a whole bunch of guys that really played good. These guys were just great. And Tony would let me sit in. He never called me to work the gig, but if I walked in, he would let me set up an amp and play with the band. And I was so honored because, you know, Thumbs Carlisle would walk in and play, and great players just off the wall, you know. And I had so much fun hanging out with those guys. So anyway, Tony Booth, I'm sorry I missed you last night. I should have come down. And I was telling everybody last week on the show, I said, I'll bet you 10,000 that if I had gone there last night, walked up to Tony Booth and said, "Tony, you know, Carmine Sauter," he'd say, "I don't remember you." That's kind of thing happens to me. Like Emmy Lou, and we did a thing a few months ago in, was it Shreveport or Nashville? Huh? It was in Memphis. And they had a big show, a James Burton show, and I get to go. I didn't get to play on this one. Sometimes they let me play. But I'm very cool about that. I don't push, I just show up. And so we're talking to Emmy, that hadn't seen in quite a few years, but I knew her pretty well. You know, I knew all the guys in the band. So I go over, "Hi, Emmy, you know, nice to meet you." Hi. I said, "I'm Carmine Sauter. You might remember me. I'm friends with Albert, and you know, I'm dropping names, you know. And I came to a lot of your shows," and she says, just like this, she says, "I'm sorry, I don't remember that." I said, "Well, anyway, you knew me at one time, you just forgot." I told her. And we started laughing, and she was very gracious and very nice, and had a good little visit with her, but did not remember all those shows and backstage with everybody that I was there.
I saw the movie.
Was it a good movie?
Good movie, and she looks beautiful.
Oh, Emmy was.
She's rocking out too, man. She started rocking out.
Emmy could rock. She was just a wonderful artist. All right, enough about me and who I met and who forgot me.
I'm more famous than all those
You got another one? Huh?
Geez, you never even mentioned me, and I'm more famous than all those people.
Well, you are.
What's up with that?
Yeah. And nobody remembers you either.
Oh, they remember me. Make no mistake, everybody remembers me. They go, no. Okay, the band sounds tremendous today without Dan. For some reason, I don't know why.
Showed up at least.
Yes. Okay.
You got another one? Do you want me to do another?
Well, this is going to be our closing number.
We're not closing yet.
Because you see the left hand is done. The left hand is done. He only works.
Oh, really? Okay, do whatever you want. So what do you got?
We're going to do Jerry Lee Lewis tune.
Good. What key?
G.
He played the Palomino.
He did indeed. You guys talk like I was never there. My band played there all the time.
What band?
Hollywood Heroes. We used to play with Jack Mack and the Heart Attacks.
Oh, I remember him. All right, let's go. Let's do a song. What key in?
G. For those of you playing your trombones at home, it's in G. Don't leave to go to the kitchen. This is it. This is the big finale. Well, there's a one for the money, two for the show. Three to get ready now, look at go. Don't you save my blues with you. You can do anything over my blues with you. You can knock me down, spit my bass, slander my name all over the place. Do anything I wanna do. Down, spin my bass, send my name all over the place. Do anything that you wanna do. Honey, lay off with me, don't you? Step on my blues with you. You can do anything over my blues with you. Kitchen and rattling by the man. I dig it back in that kitchen and rattling pots and pans. Oh, get my breakfast cooking. I'm a hungry man. Say shake, rattle and roll. Shake, rattle and roll. Shake, rattle and roll. Shake, rattle and roll. That doggone fool. When you wear that dress, the sun comes shining through. When you wear that dress, the sun comes shining through. Oh, goodness, woman, don't know what I'll do with you. Harmonica, it go a little something like this. If I had a harmonica, it sound just a little bit like this. Oh, pigeon. never misses one drum.
There it is.
Oh, shake that and rattle and roll. Shake, rattle and roll. Shake, rattle and roll. Shake, rattle and roll.
Don't do nothing. Show that doggone soul. Don't forget to join the Carmine Country Corner Club. Receive a free Cadillac.